So what's up, guys? Hope you can hear me all right. I'm actually traveling for work. I traded yesterday, but didn't install OBS screen share, so I wasn't able to do a recap. But I installed it today. I hope you can hear me at least all right on this laptop microphone. So anyway, let me do a recap for today. So I did a few trades. I did basically CRON, both short side and the long side, and then I did shop. So for CRON, basically I did the opening range breakout. So let me go back to the 5-minute. So on the 5-minute, here's what I saw. So 5-minute, there's VWAP, broke up above VWAP, dropped back down, on the way up above VWAP. I went long. The reason why I exit pretty aggressively is this stock was pretty choppy. That's number one. Number two is because there's this level here at the on the 5-minute. There's a SMA. It's a pretty strong SMA. I think that's a 200 SMA. So I didn't want it to get stopped here, drop back down, and I can't make as much as I should. So I scaled out. As you can see, though, it went quite a bit higher than that. So anyway, but that was the first trade. Second trade was on the short side. So let's see how it actually, let me show you how it looks like on the 1-minute as well. So you can see here, what I did was I won 300 shares long on the 1-minute. And then when I saw that it dropped, but it held this level, and on the way back up, I added to that, I think for a total of 600 shares. So as it popped up, I started to scale out. As you can see, it is choppy. A 5-minute doesn't give you the complete picture. Here it kind of dropped back. It never tested this level. That's why I kept it. But you can see why that is scary. So it is choppy. It did fall back too. That's why I think on the way down I kind of scaled out, and then it popped back up. Did make a new high, 1988 or something like that, and then it dropped back down. Here I saw it was losing steam on the 5-minute. I don't know why. This is why I don't like doing recaps on the laptop. On the 5-minute, you see that it formed a engulfing pattern. This is very, very short bias. I actually went long here, thinking it would pop up above this level and run up, which is what it did here. Except it didn't, so I got stopped out at this point, and then I went short. I saw it continue to fall, added a position, and then scaled out on the way up. Exited right before the break even. 1-minute, how would that look like? This is how it looks like. 1-minute. Breaks down, short. This is, I went long thinking it would go challenges again, but I quickly flipped my position because I saw that on this, it made a new high, but this high is lower, so it's a lower high. So I knew this was losing steam, so I went, exited, and then it went short, it popped back up, never broke this level, went back down right away. So I added to that position, 600 shares. On the way down, cover, and notice I covered because there's a strong SMA here again. So how that looks like on a 15-minute is something like this. So 15-minute, you see that it went long, it's very bullish, big engulfing pattern. I could have gone in here. I went in here right by the VWAP, pop up, sold, went long, dropped, sold, and then I shorted it, dropped, covered. And then of course it popped up. So if I wanted to, I could have played it on the reverse side again, because you see here, it held this level. So this was strong. On the way up, should have probably bought it here and see what happens. Put the stop loss down here, go long, or I can go long here, which would have been probably better. Once I saw that it held this level on the way up. Probably could have entered here, ride the wave up, and so forth, but didn't do that, so it is what it is. So that's the first trade. Shop was kind of scary. Let's see what I did for shop. Shop, this popped up, saw that it held this level, went long, and on the way up, I sold it. How does that look like on the 1-minute? Well, let's find out. So 1-minute chart. It held this level. On the way up, I knew it was going to at least hit this level, 168. So I went really small, maybe 200 or 300 shares, popped up. I covered on the way down. I covered for break even. So I didn't really make too much money on there. And then it went to challenge that again. So it dropped down, but it held the level and then went back up. So on the way up again, I went long because now I'm feeling bullish on this stock. I can put my stop loss somewhere down here. On the way up, I covered some, and then I covered the remainder that way. And the reason why I did this is because it got kind of choppy and stuck at this level for a while, and anytime a stock gets stuck at a level, it would reverse. So this is exactly what happened. It went reverse and it fell. So I'm very happy that I covered. I probably can go in again here for the play, but I didn't do that. How does this look like in a 15-minute? Well, I'll show you. So 15-minute, see here. So it was kind of not doing anything. This was a strong stock. It didn't fall below this level. So on the way up, entered, and then I think I added to my position. There's another green arrow here. Oh, no. I wanted to sell at that level, actually. And then I think I pressed the wrong one, so I bought more. So I had to wait in order to get out because I needed it to then go up higher. So I was kind of nervous at that point, actually. So 5-minute, this is what I did. So 5-minute went long, added to my position accidentally because I wanted to sell. And then I sold it on the way up. I didn't want to hold it through these pullback. Although, if it didn't make a new low here, it was a signal that I could have probably entered somewhere here. It did not, but it is what it is. I made my money, and so that was good. So right here. All right. Anyway, that's my recap for the day.